Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable pinch to zoom in Samsung Internet. So if you use the Samsung Internet browser, and now you want to turn off or disable pinch to zoom, this feature, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable or turn off pinch to zoom in Samsung Internet, all you need to do is go ahead and put the Samsung Internet. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right, select settings, then locate and click on web page view and scrolling. Then you should see pinch to zoom enabled. Now go ahead and disable this. Once you disable pinch to zoom, then go back to the web page, and now if you pinch the web page just like this, then pinch to zoom is not going to work. So then reopen it, then your pinch to zoom will be disabled. So that is basically how to turn off pinch to zoom in Samsung Internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.